So what we're gonna do today? Tell me what we're gonna do today.
We are at the Cahaba
Yes, Blue Moon
Blue Moon
Landing,
and putting
or
in here, and
we're gonna Lewis and Clark it.
yes, we're gonna go
We're
up
gonna see how
and
far
then,
we can go up
and then
and
float
then
back.
come back. We'll see how that works.
Yes.
Let's see if we can get down there. Maybe we can, maybe we can't.
Yep. We got enough waters?
That's good.
Hey, we are another day, another adventure, and we are floating up the Cahaba River.
Seems kind of weird, but what we chose to do. Don't really know why. Oh. That'd be Highway 78 bridge and a log jam. Wonder what those pieces are sticking up. This is like a good place to fish right here, actually. A good place to fish. Should have brought a fishing pole, but that'd be two more things I'd have to deal with.
This is a float thing. Here we go.
Just remember, don't step real close to a rock either if you can't see under it. Kind of wish it had a handle back here that was a little smaller, huh? Mm-hmm. I can't hardly hold on to this thing. There's weight in it, water and everything in it. All right. A lot of people have been up this way.
All right, I'm going with that one.
You probably need to be drinking some water already.
Kayak number 2.
Oh, this one got more stuff in it. Going to in a minute, I swear. Oh, that hurt my back. At least I had the camera on the whole time. These things don't have much of a soul in them. For stuff you step on, I mean. Speaking of a soul, look at that. Definitely humid out here.
Yes, it is.
A lot of people fall around.
Yep.
Imagine doing this.
Swimming upstream.
Imagine doing this with a 30 or 40 foot boat, Lewis and Clark way.
No. Swimming upstream like a salmon. So peaceful out here.
So peaceful.
Not crowded at all.
Maybe. I can look on. Mommy on the way back now. I'll put a Gaia track. It's a good workout doing it with one hand.
I know, I couldn't run in circles. I couldn't do it. I'd put my fan down to keep them.
I think we can go further to the left, but it's in the sunshine. I think so. It looks deeper. Probably shoot, kind of go like you're going towards that rock with that limb hanging down. Yeah. That's a little bit of slack water, be easier to paddle over there. Ain't no chance of getting up that, is it? Just trying to get it done without busting our hiney. Or breaking a hip. Got it on film. Well, the good thing is I'm nice and cool now. Yeah, but I done that 14 times and that was a good busty bomb. Signing off with it.
You just slipped back, you got water there, and you went like this, you went.
Well, there you go.
Well, there you go.
Took a dive. A lot of bricks and terracotta stuff in there, whatever that is. That brick? Hey, careful, we don't need. I'm sure maybe I've seen a door in a tree before, but. Yeah, a house door, like a front door. Mm-hmm. Huh? Still got a deadbolt on it, and it's locked too. There ain't no doorknob. Oh, on this side you come out. It looks like it's burned on one end. Mm-hmm. So anyway.
So how far are we going now?
That bridge is 1.1 miles. Got a doohickey to get through right here, a shoal. Probably go to the right just to stay on the other side of the creek.
And how far will we go?
Working our way up to Cahaba, to an old abandoned bridge. Trying not to fall and bust our hiney.
What?
I said trying to fall and not bust our hiney.
Yes, I slipped. It's slicker over there. I thought I was going over there.
I don't like these shoes.
Try to go that way?
I don't know. I want to look at that little trail right there.
Ouch.
Huh? I'm talking about the narrow. That little waterway right there. Canal, I guess.
On that side.
That's because there ain't no water coming in it.
Full of it.
Mm-hmm. Boy, this is a good test to see what's going to get in your shoes.
So far, I ain't got nothing in my car.
It's going in the heel of mine. Well, there's the bridge we come to look at. I don't know why we come to look at it, but we did.
Oh, I was thinking about you.
No, I was thinking about you. We'll look at that in a minute. I have to see if I can find a what road it was or where it. Obviously, it was before the interstate. Might have to walk up there and see if there's a date on it somewhere. It looks older than I thought it would. I don't know what I thought, but huh?
Does or doesn't?
It does look older. I didn't think it would be an archway. I don't think it can go anywhere. Yeah, that's way too much because there's me one and very short. Or, I don't know. Ugh. I'll probably have chiggers and ticks all over me.
Is it all grown up?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Mm-hmm. how we did before on each side of the kayak on each side.
Okay. For a snack now, ain't it? What are we gonna snack on? Veiny sausages?
Oh, yeah.
This is a short trip anyway, so we're gonna have veiny sausages and a payday. Quite a nice snack.
Quite a nice snack.
Yep.
Remember how I got busy? Obviously wasn't right there. I think I can walk over there. Off creaking.
Shallow right here. Or big rocks that are in the shallow part.
We can float now. It's
49.
that'd be enough to get us through the whatever Suez Canal down here. I painted an arrow on that rock. You can scratch an arrow. Played it, almost turned me over.
See if you can get over there.
What?
See if you can get over there.
What?
I survived!
I'm wet.
Now we're floating back down the Cahaba.
A lot of traffic on this road.
A lot of traffic. We made it back.
Made it back to the truck.
All right. Thanks for watching our video.